Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the lock screen pin on your Honor Watch 6 for better privacy and security. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So to set up the lock screen pin, the very first thing you have to do is go to the settings. So just press the crown button here to go to the menu, then go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called pin. Just tap on this, and then the next option is enable pin. So to set up the lock screen pin, all you have to do is tap on this enable pin button and then enter the pin for your Honor Watch 6. So let's go with 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it is showing this warning message that pin is too simple. If you want to change it, you can tap on change, select a new one, or you can tap on use anyway. Type your pin one more time, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the pin is set successfully. So now you will get more options. If you want, you can disable the pin by going here and typing the pin, or you can tap on change pin. Once again, you will have to enter your current pin, and after that you can change it to whatever pin you like. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's my current pin. Now I can select the new pin, that is 1 2 3 6 5 4, 1 2 3 6 5 4, and the pin is changed. So this is how you can set up the lock screen pin. Now if I go to the home screen and just wait a bit, so now the screen is off. If I press the button here, so now here at the top you can see the screen is locked. A lock icon is appearing at the top of the screen. Now if I press the menu, it will ask me to enter the lock screen pin here on my Honor Watch 6. So this is how you can set up the lock screen pin on your Honor Watch 6 for better privacy. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.